Today I'm going to be trying Boulevard Brewing Company. This is called Jam Band Berry Ale with blueberry, raspberry, and cherry. This one is 5.9% alcohol, and it's out of Kansas City, Missouri. Yeah, it's got a real red color to it. It's got a pink head on it. I poured it too fast. It smells like a red sweet wine to me. It's got a really sweet berry taste to it and a tad bit of sour taste to it. It's not bad. It tastes more like a wine than a beer to me. Yeah, it tastes like a carbonated fruit juice. So, yeah, not great. I mean, if you like sweet tasting stuff, then I guess you'd like it, but it's very sweet, little sour, very fruity, wine taste almost, and like a fruit juice. That's about it. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos on YouTube. Subscribe if you have a YouTube channel and leave comments. Till next time.